In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made my WhatsApp automatic with only 3 lines of Python. So let's start without wasting any time. So open your ID and make a new file. So in my case, I name the file WhatsApp 1. So first thing that you need is install PyWhatKit library in your ID or your desktop slash laptop slash PC anything. Now you need to type the first line, that is pip install PyWhatKit, and press shift and enter to run the code. And once your code run, it will install, and finally you will get a message not you may need to restart the kernel to use updated packages. So that means the installation process is complete. You need to install it only one, but by mistakenly I installed it twice. The next line that you need to write over here is import PyWhatKit. So to import PyWhatKit in your program, once you write it, press shift plus enter, and here you will see a number change. So from 5 it went to 8. That means it import process is also completed. Next thing, the last but the powerful line that you need to write over here is pywatkit dot send what message. You could see it on my screen. Put a bracket and put a string, and in the string put the 10 digit phone number or any phone number, and also don't forget to put the country code before the number. In case of mine, India, it's +91, and the dot you are gonna see here is the number which you need to type. And let's end the string. And then you will see a comma, you will put it, and one more string. In that string you need to write the message which you are gonna send. Happy birthday in my case. Then put a comma and 15. 15 means hours, so 3 p.m. So now current time is 15:20, so I will set it to 15:23 or 22. I said 23 is good. And then you need to type number and actually run the code. Well, and let's see whether it works or not. So I'm gonna pause it and write the number, and let's see. We are actually waiting in the new tab, so let's see whether our WhatsApp opens over here. I am waiting. Okay, let's see. Wait for a few seconds. It will usually take 30 seconds or something like that to open your WhatsApp. Well, let's see. Yes, we are finally here. Our WhatsApp web has opened, and let's see whether we could see something. Well, wait for some time for it to load. We are waiting, and finally we could see that here the message has been sent. And that's all for today's video. Meet you in my next video, and you could actually see the message has been sent over here to unknown somebody. Okay, that's all for today's video. Meet in my next video, and if you do like this video, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you want me to make a video on web, WhatsApp and ID and much more, do subscribe and comment. Okay, that's all. Meet you in my next video.